Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen about the type assignment and the type inference we have seen, right? So that's all about the TypeScript number strings and booleans, how we can declare the variables using number strings and variables. Now let's come to the objects. So how we will be declaring the objects in the TypeScript. So let's go with a simple example. I am removing this all the code. Okay, now I have a person object, okay, with the name as Leela. So the same old example what we will be writing in the what we have written in the ES6. So the same old example I am taking 30. Okay. Now I will try to print console.log person.name. Okay. So this is the simple thing how we will be writing the object in the JavaScript, and also in the TypeScript also we can write like this only. But now here if you want to mention the type of this one, okay, what could be the type of this data type of this TypeScript? We have seen for every variable we are mentioning something like colon number, colon string. So something like that we are mentioning the type of that variable, so that that variable accepts only the data of that type only. Okay, but here the person is variable is taking object. So what could be the type of that one? If you hover here, you will be able to see here some specialized syntax tag type, that is nothing but curly. It has open curly brace and closed curly brace, and it is taking the name of string and age of number. So something like it is taking same as the object only, but it is taking the key type pair, not the key value pair. So name it should be of string only, and age it should be of number only. Something like here the name with value of Leela and the age with the value of 30. In the same scenario it is taking some curly brace, something like this. So the TypeScript is inferring that type, so that means it is injecting that type into that object. So now name it is accepting, it should accept only the type of string, and age it should accept only the type of number. Okay, now here if I want to write something like nickname, okay, so the nickname property is not available in that object. So that is the reason I am getting an error that property nickname does not exist on the type. So for example, if you go here, it is the specialized object syntax, something like what we can say name of string, a name of string and age of number. We are having only name and age, so that here the person will take only the name here or age. So TypeScript automatically gives you the intelligence of it will take, but the person has the object, has the property only name and age. For example, if I change it to object, it has an inbuilt parameter, inbuilt type object. If we mention that object thing, now if you check here, you are getting for the name also you are getting error. Okay, if you observe here person.name we are it is existing, but still we are getting error. So if you mention object, now the person has become an object. Okay, person has become an object. So TypeScript doesn't understand the person which are the properties it is having. So that is the reason it is unable to know about the person thing. It knows that it is an object, but it doesn't know what are the properties available in that object. So that is the reason if you write any property person.name, person.age, anything if you write, it will throw an error for you. Why? Because it is a generalized, we have mentioned the type of that person as a generalized way. So that is the reason we have that it is showing an error. So now in order to mention this one, so how we can explicitly mention is, so here you will be writing the curly brace something like this, and you can mention name of string, okay, and a number of sorry, age of number. Okay, if you mention like this, automatically person.name, so it will think that the person object has these two keys which accepts that types of string and number. So the TypeScript will be the TypeScript will analyze the object, and it will give you the intelligence, so that if you mention here, so you will be able to get age and name, so that you can select the property from that object. So this is how you can mention, or otherwise you can remove this one, so that TypeScript automatically analyze that object and it will mention the object type for this one. Okay, this is the specialized syntax in the TypeScript, so that you TypeScript the object types it will implement, so that you will be able to use this one in in the IntelliSense you can automatically assume this one. For example, if I try to use the nickname here and if I try to compile this code, okay, tsc, sorry, if I write directly, if I compile this one and I will get an error here automatically. Why means, so nickname is not. So for example, if I try to do the nickname dot name and if I try to print, here I will be getting, here I am getting no errors I am getting. So for example, if I mention here something like if I explicitly mention a name of string and age of number, okay, if I mention, so remember you should mention semicolon not comma for mentioning the key type pairs. Okay, for mentioning the object types you need to mention semicolon instead of comma. Okay, this is the difference between the object declaration and the type declaration in the TypeScript. Now you are getting you are not getting any errors. So here for example, instead of number you mention 30, okay, still you will not get an error. But if you mention here 31 or something like that, you will get an error. Why? Because the age property accepts only the value 30 only, something like constant or something like that. So you will be, if you mention it as number, it accepts any value that is a number. Okay, you need to remember this thing also. So now you can mention it anything. Now when I try to compile this code, okay, we will see the compiled JavaScript code, how the JavaScript code will become, how this type script code will be compiled into JavaScript. Here we have mentioned that explicitly, we have mentioned the object type rep. So how it will be converted to the JavaScript, we'll see. If you see here JavaScript, you got the same thing what we have written previously, where person is equal to name Leela and console person dot name. So JavaScript doesn't know this type of type object types behavior in the JavaScript. So only the TypeScript for our case, for our readability purpose and also for the coding purpose only. So IntelliSense and all those things. So in order to get readable code, so TypeScript only understands this type of thing. But when compiled to JavaScript, it compiles into the old plain vanilla JavaScript code only. It will compile. Okay, this is about the declaring of the types in for the objects. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comment below to this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.